When John came to Bali, he came here to be inspired. What he found here was a culture and a tradition that could make those ideas come alive. What's special about what we do is the fact that the jewellery continues to be made by hand. The John Hardy classic chain is actually completely woven by women. We have an incredible community of women who are creating the links and weaving each one of those links one by one into bracelets and necklaces. So there's something of those women and the stories that they're sharing woven into each one of the bracelets that we make here at John Hardy. The John Hardy workshop in Bali is open to guests to come and visit. It's an opportunity for a customer to be able to come and see exactly what we do, how we do it, and to meet the people that are creating the jewellery. There's something about seeing it and being here with the artisans that I think is really, really special. I don't know how many other brands open their doors in the way we do. They get to see everything from the design process, the way that each design is then carved into a three-dimensional wax model. You get to see the 8-step process. We're also offering masterclasses. You get to sit with master artisans, hear their stories, learn their skill and their talent. It's a very unique experience. You're able to customise a piece of John Hardy jewellery with your own story, with your own symbol, and have that as a memory of your time in Bali. You then come and join the artisans and the team for an amazing long table lunch. And you enjoy that meal as a community. Here in Bali, we also have the beautiful Kapal bamboo showroom, this extraordinary cathedral of bamboo that's created out of single stems of bamboo that float on top of the rice fields. And this is where you can actually see the collections and purchase. In Bali, there is a tradition of creating beauty in everyday life, and it's beauty created by hands. There is something in the power of the way that the jewellery is made that makes it really special, makes it unique.